Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this orange tea? Some of the benefits of this tea: it lower cholesterol, good in respiratory health, regulate blood sugar. I'll add 2 cups of water. Then I have some peel and 2 oranges. So as we all know, it also contains vitamin C. So I will just add it to the water, and I'll cut one of the orange and I'll add it to my pot. For those of you always returning to watch me, share me, comment on my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep liking. So I just put it to my gas and I'm cooking it for low heat of 5 minutes. So here it's cooked. Now I will just allow it to cool down a little while I served. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification and be a member of this family. Follow for more amazing videos. Feel free to check other of my channel out and see videos that you might find helpful.